The market for rugged smartphones is booming. To meet the demands of this niche market, several smartphone manufacturers have begun offering devices specialized for the outdoors. AGM is one of those brands, and is now launching its X3. One of only a few smartphones that's equipped for the great outdoors that includes a Snapdragon 845 processor. So even if the device isn't the most elegant, it's still easy to use and has high quality workmanship. Along with its massive design, the X3 benefits from everything you'd expect from a robust smartphone. This means it comes with mil standard 810G certification and is resistant against low temperatures, down to -22 Fahrenheit, and high temperatures. It also has IP68 certification against water and dust. The smartphone has also been designed with aeronautical grade metal and features material on the back that protects it against falls. As a result, the smartphone can withstand an impact from a 1.5 meter fall, so there's no need to worry. Of course, the real appeal in this X3 lies under the hood, since it's the processor that makes this device really stand out amongst its competitors. The device includes a Snapdragon 845 processor coupled with 6 or 8 GB of RAM, depending on the variant. There are 3 variants available, each with a different amount of memory. There's either 64, 128 or 256 GB of internal storage. They all come with Android 8.1 Oreo. With respect to the camera, the AGM X3 features a dual 12 and 24 megapixel rear photo module, along with a 20 megapixel front-facing camera. The camera is supported by artificial intelligence, which improves the final rendering of your photos. The AGM X3 is equipped with stereo sound and a 4100 mAh battery. It also supports fast QC 4.0 and wireless charging.